Hello, this is Rhonda Schaefer, hailing from Fairport, New York. Welcome. Today, what's on my mind is the right thing to do is not always the popular thing to do, and the popular thing to do is not always the right thing to do. And I really believe that this can apply at any age, whether you're young, teenager, up through adulthood. So what is the right thing to do? The right thing to do is be genuine, be sincere with people. Don't hype things out. Let them know what the real situation is. I had a training this evening, a weekly training with my team, with my internet marketing team. And what I love about this group is the coaching and training we get as a group. So we're learning now to do a lot of things on YouTube. So there are certain things you need to know and learn, and things like tags, so people that are looking for a particular subject matter can find you. A description or an outline or overview of yourself, which I've been working on for a while. Different links and connections for recording videos, for uploading them, putting a thumbnail, which is what those little pictures are called that you see next to files and such. And it was a lot of fun. We always have a good chuckle or two when we look at ourselves. We have one of the guys does technical training and helps us understand how to do things and where to find things on the internet. And there's tips and guides, things that we can use as a framework to prepare and set up information the way that we want. And that's the right thing to do. If you're going to be selling products or marketing products, you don't want to just get the money and run. You want to be there for your people and help guide them so they can be successful at too. So that would be the right thing to do. Transparency is also very important. But if you don't know how to communicate succinctly, it's hard, but it can be done with practice. And be considerate and kind to people while you're doing it. So the other part of what my topic is about the popular thing is not always the right thing to do. So we can have peer pressure at all ages. And, I'm at the point now, it's like, who cares? I don't believe that this is the right path to take. And it could cause harm or hurt somebody, so I'm not going to go with it. It does take courage to stand up for yourself and let people know what you stand for. We all have a voice. We just have to learn how to let it out of what's going on inside of us. Some of my friends are very, very creative artistically, and they can do it that way. They can create these beautiful paintings and drawings, and they're expressions of their feelings. It just blows my mind. And I don't particularly have that talent. I've tried. So we have our voice in many, many ways and can utilize it by taking advantage of our talents. And I want to see a group of ladies today. One is moving out to Arizona, which many of you know that's where I want to go. I don't think I want to go 12 months out of the year, though, because it gets awfully hot out there. I don't want to be cooped up inside. But she's doing what's right for her. And her daughter's going with her, and they have this whole new life and adventure that they're going towards. So remember that the right thing to do is not always the popular thing. Respect yourself, respect your boundaries, and the popular thing is not always the right thing to do. So if there's something in your chest saying, just giving you an uneasy feeling about something, well, take a closer look at it. And I think you'll be a better person as a result. So those are my thoughts for today. Not anything particularly special. I just had run across I was talking to someone that bought some ferns off of me, and they're new to this area, the Fairport area, and I struck up that conversation with that signage, because that's the kind of things they teach in the schools around here, which I think is pretty doggone neat. So with that said, this is Rhonda Schaefer from Fairport, New York. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you the next time. Have a good evening. I'll get this off somewhere. Where is it?